GD 26 here. We just do the repair and tips, and I want to show you about how to use the right side for labels. And on the 2750 Epson, under here is a tray. You want to pull the tray out, make sure there's at least some paper in there, and feel the top of the paper. It's got to be smooth, and also you can peel it back on the side here, find the edge. So put it with the sticker side down like that, shove the tray in all the way in, and then we're going to print something. So let's print a file here on the computer. It'll take a while to do that, and we'll print that. It'll take a while to print up, so be patient. Okay, so let's see if we got the right side here. Okay, and indeed we have the right side. See, we can peel it back. So that's for a label for shipping. We just printed some text here to show you, peel it back. So it's like this. Smooth side down, up, sticker side down. Okay, so I hope this helps you, and have a great day. Thanks for watching. Please rate and subscribe and share.